Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the driver being installed as not validated for this computer in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and then go with Device Manager. Tap the net and wait until a new window would appear, which is your device manager, where here you need to expand the window and proceed with display adapters. So select display adapters and click this forward arrow and you need to choose your graphic drivers. Okay, so please do a right click and go with the first option, which is update driver. So it will opt you to choose two options. Proceed with browse my computer for drivers. Okay, and you need to go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Now, since you have downloaded or installed, you want to install a driver here in your Windows, you need to proceed with have this, click on it, and you need to browse, click on browse options. And here you need to locate where is the location of the driver that you have downloaded in your Windows. So if it's being placed here at the desktop, then proceed with your desktop and select where it is being placed with. And if it's being placed in your libraries, then select the file folder which is being placed. And if it's being placed in your home, then go with it. Okay? Just have to select where it is being placed. Okay? And the moment you have selected it, you need to go with open. Again, you need to select where have you located the driver that you have downloaded in your Windows, and you need to select that file folder. If it's being located in the desktop, then go with it. Just have to locate for it. Okay, it will be showing here and click on open. The moment you have the click on open, it will be automatically starting to install in your Windows. Okay, again, you need to select the file folder where you have placed the downloaded driver in your Windows. Okay, since you want to install it in your Windows, you need to select the file folder that contains that specific driver and you need to click on open to start installing that particular driver in your Windows. Okay, so it might take some time, maybe 2 minutes or more than that. It will depend on your machine. You just have to wait until it will be done. Okay, once you're done, there you have that. You'd be able to successfully install that in and you're good to go. So to make any changes, restart your computer. Navigate here to start icon, go with your power menu options and go with restart. Once you have restarted it, there you have that. You'd be able to successfully install the driver in your Windows and you can use it also in your Windows. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.